Again, well, not again, but I guess I was going to show off you guys my CNC canopy nuts. And these here are the ones that cost like $8, and these you can get for $1 or $2. And two, again, your place where you want to try and buy your Canamod custom airbrushed canopies is Heli Direct. Also, they're under helirus on eBay. I think this one right here I got for $15 a while back. And now this one has a chip on the corner already, no big deal. And then this one, eBay, $11. They have a lot of variety of colors on eBay for your OEM canopies. Anyway, hope this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching.